Let us apply what we have learned to arrange the following fractions in descending order. We have shown that to do this, first step is to find the LCM of your denominators, and then the next step is to multiply the individual fractions by the LCM of the denominators, and then finally you organize them from the biggest number to the smallest number. Now let's do that. Solution. First, let's find the LCM of 8, 12, and 4. 8, 12, and 4. 2 as a factor, we get 4 here, 6, and 2. 2 is still a factor, so be 2, 3, 1. 2 is still a factor, 1, 3, 1. And then 3, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, our LCM equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Step 1, done. Now to step 2, multiply individual fractions by the LCM of the denominators. Now we have 5 over 8 multiplied by 24. This would give us 5 times, now 8 in 24, that is 3. And 5 times 3 will give us 15. To the second fraction, we have 7 over 12 multiplied by 24. Now, this would give us 7 times 12 in 24, that is 2. 7 times 2, 14. Now let's get to the third fraction. 3 over 4 multiplied by 24. This would give us 3 multiplied by 4 in 24 is 6. And 3 times 6 will give us 18. Now we will organize this result from the biggest to the smallest. And the biggest we have is 18, which is greater than 15, which is greater than 14. Now let's organize the fractions in descending order. For the 18, we have the fraction 3 over 4. Then 15, we have the fraction 5 over 8. And then the smallest will be 14, which is 7 over 12. Try this by organizing a set of 3 or 4 fractions from the biggest to the smallest. Thank you.